you doing, guys? Welcome back to another video for Advanced in Car. Something different for you. Yesterday and today, Martin has been working on this 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Now, this is the 4th generation Tucson that's been around, and this particular looking model started in 2020, and this is the facelifted model. But either way, what we've done today on this particular model, as long as you can see the front grille like this is similar to your vehicle, then this kit will be compatible. So this particular car belongs to my sister, and they have had 2 of these now and asked me if we could get a kit and fit a kit to help with the boot lid. 1, because it's quite a high vehicle, and 2, because of the fact that once the vehicle and boot lid is up, if they've got their hands full, because they do a lot of water sports and other such stuff, it would be great if they could able to shut the boot without having to pull the grab handle down. So yes, we always like to take on a challenge, and even though we are German car orientated or specialists, we decided to do a bit of research on this one, and this is what we've got. So come on around the back, we'll show you what we've done. So on the factory key fob that you get with the vehicle, you've got the lock button, the unlock button, and a dedicated boot opening button. The dedicated boot opening button even has the word hold. So I'm going to press and hold for 2 seconds. The system will then beep, and then the boot lid will start to open. Now, those of you that have had cars before with an electric boot lid may notice it's probably a similar speed, but it's a little bit slower than other cars that we've worked on here. But it doesn't make any difference, because you can hear the beep, it opens the boot lid, and then if Sammy can come round here with the camera, you'll see that we've got a nice factory fitted button that replaced a blank in the door and in the plastic card here. And now if we press this button, you get a little beep, and the boot lid will now close. When it does close, you'll see the soft close work. And what it's done then is the motor latching mechanism has grabbed hold of the boot initially and then pulled the boot in, and you'll also find that the indicators flash at the same time. This is all fitted in using data, so it's using CAN bus. Now again, if I open the boot lid again, so I'm going to press 1, 2 on the boot lid. Boot lid then opens, the indicators will flash. Now, how this has been achievable is Martin has replaced both of the factory fitted boot struts for ones that are now electric. So the old ones have been removed, the manual ones where you would pull down on the boot and again lift up. These have now got electric boot rams or struts in here that go into the vehicle itself. There's no drilling involved, there's no replacement of brackets. These are all existing, and we've just utilised the brackets into the vehicle. The cabling then gets routed up into the actual boot lid itself. All of the wiring for the interface is all plugged in and connected, including the new illuminated close button on the inside. Cabling gets routed down to the front of the vehicle, and where we pick up for power and CAN bus, so that's data. It's the data that then does all the hard work. So for instance, if I shut the boot lid now, when the vehicle is then locked, and on a vehicle like this, you can tell a vehicle is locked just by making sure that you have locked the button and also your wing mirrors are closed as well. At the moment, the windows are open, but that's irrelevant. If I didn't have the key on me, then I wouldn't be able to open the boot. But because I've got the key on me like so, I can open the boot without touching the key fob. And that does exactly the same operation as me pressing and holding on the remote control key fob. Okay, this is where it starts to get a little bit more involved. So we're just going to shut the boot. And if we go back down to the driver's side here, this particular vehicle has got keyless entry and exit. So again, I've got the keys on me, in my pocket, in my bag, and I can just press the button here, and then that will allow me to open and shut the 4 doors for the vehicle, and of course the boot lid. Now, in the actual vehicle itself, it's all been put back together now. You'll see some of that during the installation. The wiring has then been put into the fuse board with a safety fuse. We've also then connected to the data, and we've also got something that's really cool hidden away. And the reason why we've hidden this away is because this is a lease car. So when this lease car goes back to the supplier, yes, it may go back with this electronic boot lid mechanism in and fitted. Great, not really a big deal, but we don't want to start making holes into the vehicle in plastic panels or the roof lining or anything that's then going to cost my system money. So the ultimate thing here is let's still have that functionality, but let's hide it away. So we'll show you in a second the new button. So this is where we've done something that I quite like. Cool stuff, a bit of a geek really, but rather than have something fitted on show, especially when you don't own the vehicle, what we have done here has been quite clever. So when you're sat in the vehicle like so, and I've put my foot on the brake and I started the engine, I say the engine, so it's a mild hybrid, which means that we still put fuel into the vehicle, but it's nice and quiet, but there is an engine as well. When you want to open the boot lid, well, you can't do because it knows the ignition is on, so this key is rendered useless. And we're not outside the car, we're inside the car. So what we've done here is we fitted a really cool little switch here that nobody would know is there. And when you want to open the boot lid, 1, 2, press and hold, and the boot lid is now opening. Okay, so Martin's going to open the boot lid now. And that's all from the button that's newly fitted in up by the sun visor. And again, when you're outside of the vehicle, you can shut it from the key fob or close it from the key fob. You can also close it from the new button on the inside. But now Martin's inside the vehicle and it's now going to close the boot lid. And that's it, guys. This is 4th generation Hyundai Tucson, now leaving us with an electronic boot lid, operational from the outside of the boot, inside with a button, from the key fob open and close, and also from a newly installed button from there. If you want one of these, get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.